and then your file is disorganized, right? So you want to organize it, you select and you press L. It will organize these lines here, right? You can organize it too. If you click here and press L, it will just organize this side and leave the other one still, right? So if you have a sequence of quiz images here, if you want to organize them, you select, press the L key. It will arrange everything neatly for it to round off. So that's really good because it keeps your project always on track, organized, and aligned there in the information. There's always a bit of a mess in Node. It ends up getting a bit of a mess depending on the project, but you already get to have everything first aligned and organized. In this case, for someone else to need to use your project,